This is another kind of Philippine fish soup, which is very healthy, especially for elders. As you can see guys, water is boiling, so I already put the sliced tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, garlic on it. So guys, as usual, lagyan natin ng asin, ang tubig na kumukulo pa siya on set para masarap na yung tinola. So now let's add the fish. Lagyan na natin yung isda guys. Yung isda. So we're going to add the fish. This is yellowfin tuna. Nalinuto ko guys. Lagay ko na. This time, this soup has ginger. May ginger siya guys. Konting loya para matanggal yung lansa ng isda. There we go. So let's boil the fish until it's almost cooked. I mean, hanggang sa malapit na siyang maluto, ilalagay natin yung alogbati, spinach and beans. Okay, kumukulo na siya guys. So let's boil. So kumulo na siya guys. I'm going to add the beans para masabay sa pagluto ng isda yung beans. So let's go ahead and add the beans. So it will be cooked until the fish will be cooked. Tama ba guys? Yeah. Sarap nito. Sarap. Cover it guys again para maluto yung isda at saka yung so this is the spinach guys. Kakaiba na ito. First time ko kay Lola. So and masarap siya guys. Wala siyang amoy than the native alogbati. So that's alogbati guys and tanglad. So now let's add the lemongrass. Luto na yung beans guys. So now we will add the lemongrass. Let's just boil it for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. So this time, napakuluan ko na siya guys for almost a minute. So let's taste it to see if the salt is medyo matabang guys. So I'm gonna add a little bit more salt to it. So I'm gonna taste it first before I put the alogbati to see if I put it enough salt. It's delicious guys. So I can taste the ginger, the taste of the ginger with lemongrass, the fish, and other spices on it. So let me add now the spinach. The spinach guys that I washed. This is the final one. Let's just boil this one for about 30 seconds for it to cook and also na ready to eat. Spinach or alogbati. So let's turn off the gas. Ooh, so yum. So there you go guys, this is fish in spinach or alogbati with string beans soup. Enjoy guys! Thank you for watching! See you in next vlog. Bye!